Catalyst SDMA tests can be purchased as single slides or in a combination kit with Total T4 tests. In this video, you'll learn how to run an SDMA test with or without a Total T4 test on your Catalyst One chemistry analyzer. The process for running these tests is slightly different from running other Catalyst tests because they must be run with a reagent. Whether you're running both the SDMA test and the Total T4 test, or only running one of the tests, you'll need a patient sample, which can either be 700 microliters of whole blood in a Catalyst lithium heparin whole blood separator, or 300 microliters of plasma or serum in a Catalyst sample cup. You'll also need pipette tips, the SDMA and/or Total T4 slide, and the reagent. If you're running both tests, you'll only need one reagent, which is included in the kit. Note: SDMA and Total T4 slides can be run with other chemistry slides, electrolyte slides, and/or clips. After you've initiated the sample run on the IDEXX VetLab station, it's time to load the materials into the Catalyst One analyzer. First, ensure the pipette tip area of the drawer is full. Next, load the sample. Next, load the slides. If you're loading these with other slides, we recommend a specific order for the quickest results. Load the Light 4 clip first, then the chemistry clip, then the SDMA slide, Total T4 slide, and any other single slides. On the right side of the drawer, load the reagent. Close the sample drawer. And then press the Start button. Once the run starts, SDMA results will be available in approximately 10 minutes, and Total T4 results will be available in approximately 15 minutes. For more information on Catalyst One general workflows, go to idexlearningcenter.com/Catalyst One.